because it's actually not the same as iPhone unboxings from years in the past. And you'll see that in a second. So at the top you get in there and it's the paperwork again, designed by Apple in California. I sure hope so. And in the sleeve you get your Apple stickers, you get your SIM card ejector tool, and the quick start guide. This stuff is actually the same, so no need to pay any special attention to it. You can toss that to the side, and next up is, of course, the iPhone itself and all its glass, stainless steel, and gold glory. It's looking pretty clean, but we'll get to that in a second too. Underneath the iPhone is the charging brick, and under here too is the lightning cable it comes with. I was kind of hoping by 2018 we could get either a fast charger in the box or a USB-C to lightning charger, or both. But we get neither of those things. I personally think it's getting kind of lame and kind of outdated that Apple, of all companies, doesn't ship a fast charger in the box of such an expensive premium phone. Just saying. Anyway, you put that to the side, and you have your headphones here, which look the way they normally do, but when you turn it around this time, they're missing one thing. So yeah, that's right, confirmed, no headphone jack dongle in the box of the iPhone XS. So all these previous iPhones with no headphone jacks have always come with a little lightning to headphone jack dongle in the box. Very considerate. This year, it's gone. Now, you know, if you're buying a $1,000 phone or even a $1,450 phone like we have here, you probably wouldn't blink twice at buying a little $8 adapter. But it's clearly done on purpose. Apple can afford to put the dongle in there, but they chose not to this time, trying to nudge people again towards wireless or lightning headphones. Also, fun fact, in case you didn't know, the best-selling product in Apple stores and in retail stores, I guess by volume, for the last 2 years has been dongles. This will not change that. Anyway, here's the phone, and we can take a second to admire it as clean and scratch-free as it'll probably ever be in its life. And that completes your unboxing experience. For the record, it is exactly the same on the smaller XS, but we'll go through that anyway. Now, by the time you see this, I will have actually been using the iPhones for a couple days since the launch event. So this was recorded a couple days ago. So, lucky for you, the full review, which has been in the works, is also launching today as well, dropping in exactly 12 hours. So 12 hours from the launch of this video, check back to your sub boxes, 6 p.m. Eastern, for the full iPhone XS and XS Plus review. So that should be fun. Also, after setting up the iPhones real quick, I wanted to share with you the new wallpapers for these new phones. There's always new wallpapers with new iPhones. I'll try to get them on Twitter if I can, but check out these 3 new live ones if you haven't seen them yet. They are super cool, and they look incredible on this inky OLED display, the super high resolution with the deep blacks. But of course, don't let that distract you from the fact that they're still hiding the notch perfectly. But this might be the best use of 3D touch at the moment, honestly. Anyway, that's your unboxings. Thanks for watching. It's a quick video, but stay tuned shortly for the full review. I'll see you guys over there. Thanks for watching. Peace.